navigate through the system. I'm staying in Edge here. So I'm on a Surface Pro, and I've got a pen in my hand. And you'll see one of the ways that Fluent evolves here is that I can now scroll right here by using the pen. And if I want to go to a new page, I can just click a link. There we go, and we'll navigate, and once again, I can scroll through the page. And we've thought not just about the navigation, but also about things like selection. So I'm going to press the barrel button on the pen and just drag here to select some text. I get a context menu. I can copy. I can switch to Word. I can, again, use the barrel button to get a context menu. I click, I choose paste, and it's as simple as that to move quickly between apps and experiences, enabling ink annotations in PDF. So imagine here I'm a contractor, and I'm going to actually ink into this PDF. It's a proposal that I'm writing for one of my clients. So I'll go here, and I'll get my pen. All the ink is right there where they left it. So that gives you a sense of how the pen is evolving. And that's one example of all the things that we're doing within Fluent Design.
And it's insert basic shapes for you, Cal.
Okay, merci Geneviève. Moving primitive polygon shapes helped me to fill the available space. And from there, it is easy and quick to establish the right proportions. As a set designer, if you think you have a good idea, you still have to share it with the entire team and make sure everybody understands properly your proposal. Now let's pretend that this cube is a cabinet. A maquette is a great tool to visualize shapes, but still, it is not enough to understand and feel the real size of them and the impact they can have into a space volume. Now I'll take this sphere and I put it over the cabinet.
Hi, Michel.
Hi, Michel.
Bonjour tout le monde. I am sorry, guys, I couldn't be with you today, but it's kind of cool to be virtual. I like it.
Isn't it?
So, Carl, there's two references I'd like to share with you today.
Okay.
So the first of all, it's the hand. I think I was wrong with marble. It's too cold. Let's go with something warmer like this, wood finish.
Ah, okay. Interesting. Yeah.
Nice. And you know, about the background, the turbine, yesterday I was walking in Paris and I stopped by the train station, La Gare du Nord, and it is industrial like this.
Wow.
Ah,
okay.
cool.